This is the Boddington mine in Western Australia. It's famous for its heavy metal. No, not that. These. One of the main goals for the team here at Boddington was to convert the mine's entire fleet of 41 trucks and its Pit Viper drill rigs to full autonomous operation over its private 4G, 5G network. With a vehicle this size, having any kind of interference or downtime in the wireless network that controls it is completely unacceptable.
These machines are fully autonomous, so they need to have a wireless connection for people to be able to the control system to make sure they're operating safely and also operating with a fleet. And those wireless connections need to be stable. They need to be high performance. There's a huge amount of data that these machines transmit into the network. So 5G brings that predictability. But in a dynamic mining environment like here at Newmont, it actually ensures that connectivity is everywhere.
So this is a Caterpillar 793F. It's actually a legendary vehicle. It's also the workhorse of the mine here at Boddington. It weighs 150 tons, 430 when it's fully loaded with ore, and it's powered by a V16 diesel engine generating 2,600 horsepower. Now, obviously, when this is running in fully autonomous operation, it's essential that the radio network that's being used to control it is absolutely reliable, no outages at all. And that's why they've switched to a private 5G network here at Boddington.
We're the first gold mine to put in automation in terms of the trucks. What 5G is enabling us to do, the next stage, step change in terms of productivity, to eventually become leading in terms of how we make decisions and how we make smarter, faster, and more value-effective decisions for this operation.
And they have 41 of these trucks. This tyre weighs 3.1 tons. It's 12 feet tall. And this is not an insignificant amount of money either. In fact, a set of 6 for this, including the double wides at the back, costs $250,000. And that probably explains why somebody's had the tyres off that one over there. So you've got some emergency controls here. This is literally the lock-off point where if you want to have a play on it, you turn off the devices here. Have you got your emergency stop button in case you're about to be run over, and you can do your Austin Powers, I don't want to be run over by a steamroller moment. It's like the size of a house, and it's so big, in fact, you don't use a ladder to get on board, you use a staircase. Let's go and have a look. Come on. So this is the original driving position, which sadly is quite dusty and abandoned on this truck. Why is that? It's because it's not being used anymore. This monstrous, huge machine operates in full autonomous mode. It really is remarkable. And this is the tipper part. You can actually put an entire London double-decker bus in here and it wouldn't even touch the sides. Amazing. What's the big benefit of automating this heavy metal?
Every time I keep someone out of that pit, it removes an interaction with a truck, it removes an interaction with a light vehicle or another piece of heavy equipment. It also enables someone to not have to go stop a machine and then start again. They're up here in a control room now in a much more friendly environment. There's less dust, there's less noise, there's less interaction. It's leading to a safer, more productive pit.
So as you can see here, we've got all of the wireless connectivity that we've been talking about. It's collecting essential information and data from the equipment, but it's also receiving the signals which control the way that the truck is operating. And all of that information is transmitted here, the control room and nerve center of the Boddington mine.
Yes, it's a rig control station where our controllers here operate 3 drill rigs at once and can do that on any one of those terminals down there. We also run autonomy as well. So our Pit Viper 231s are fully autonomous, and our D65 Smart Rocks are cap controlled. So one semi-autonomous.
And these are all running over 5G as well?
All running over 5G. So world first everywhere.
Wow.
5G to cap to ADS as well. It's 3 major world firsts. So.
This is an autonomous operation. What does that actually mean, Matt?
So to me, it's safety first. So it's getting out people getting out of the pit, out of high risk areas. So autonomy is a mixture of in-field communications. It's a mixture of people's sequences of work together to form the sequence of mining.
I mean, these trucks weigh 150 tons or something. It's not like fire and forget it, is it? Because you still got to have a human involved in the management and the programming.
Let's call it supervised autonomy. Is probably the best way to explain it. Obviously, the CAT 793 is fully autonomous, but it's under supervision from the control room, non-stop. There's obviously field sensors and a whole bunch of perception systems and other really complex technology that keeps those trucks running fully autonomous, but ultimately it comes from the people.
Join me next time for part 3 of the visit to Boddington, where I find out how automating its robot trucks over 5G has changed the role of its human employees.